Welcome back to Auto Update Pro, where we bring you the latest and most trusted updates from the world of cars. Today we are taking a close look at the Toyota RAV4, one of the most popular compact SUVs in the USA and around the world. If you are looking for a vehicle that offers comfort, reliability and modern technology, then this video is just for you. So let us explore what makes the Toyota RAV4 a top choice for many drivers. The Toyota RAV4 comes with impressive key features that make everyday driving easy and enjoyable. It offers advanced safety systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring and automatic emergency braking. These features help keep you and your family safe on highways and city roads. The infotainment system includes a large touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth and voice control, which means you can stay connected without distraction. The RAV4 also provides smart key entry, push start button and multiple drive modes for different road conditions. When it comes to design, the Toyota RAV4 looks bold, modern and sporty. Its strong front grille, sharp LED headlights and muscular body lines give it a powerful road presence. The raised ground clearance adds an SUV feel while also helping on rough roads and speed breakers. The aerodynamic shape improves fuel efficiency and stability at high speeds. Alloy wheels, roof rails and stylish rear lights make the RAV4 stand out among other compact SUVs. Inside the Toyota RAV4 you will find a comfortable and spacious cabin designed for both driver and passengers. The seats are supportive and available in premium fabric or leather depending on the variant. The dashboard layout is simple and user-friendly with easy access to all controls. There is plenty of legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The cargo space is large enough for luggage, shopping bags or family trips. Air conditioning vents, USB charging ports and multiple storage compartments make long journeys more convenient. Under the hood, the Toyota RAV4 offers reliable and efficient performance. It is available with petrol, hybrid and plug-in hybrid options in many markets. The engine delivers smooth acceleration and good fuel economy, making it suitable for daily commuting and long drives. The suspension system absorbs bumps well, providing a comfortable ride on uneven roads. Steering is light and responsive, which helps in city driving and parking, while on highways the RAV4 feels stable and confident even at higher speeds. What truly makes the Toyota RAV4 special are its unique selling points. First is Toyota's legendary reliability and low maintenance cost, which gives peace of mind to owners. Second is its excellent fuel efficiency, especially in hybrid models, which saves money in the long run. Third is its strong resale value, which means you get better returns when selling it later. The RAV4 also offers a perfect balance between SUV strength and car-like comfort, making it suitable for families, office users and adventure lovers. In conclusion, the Toyota RAV4 is a complete package that combines safety, style, comfort, performance and reliability. Whether you are a first-time buyer or upgrading from your old car, this SUV deserves your attention. If you want a vehicle that fits your daily life and future needs, then the RAV4 is definitely worth considering. If you found this video helpful, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Auto Update Pro for more car reviews and latest updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.